There are two ways to make hard candy. One is the stamping hard candy production line, and the other is the pouring hard candy production line. The main raw materials for hard candy are white sugar, glucose, water, etc. If you are processing hard candy with special flavors, you need to match them accordingly. The following is an introduction to the processing methods of these two hard candy. The fully automatic hard candy stamping and forming production line consists of an automatic weighing and batching system, a vacuum sugar boiling machine, a cooling steel belt conveyor, a conveyor belt, an insulating rolling bed, a smoothing machine, a hard candy stamping and forming machine. The main equipment of the fully automatic hard candy pouring production line includes automatic batching system and transfer pump, temporary storage barrel, continuous vacuum sugar boiler, pouring machine, cooling tunnel, demolding machine, etc. The fully automatic hard candy pouring production line puts glucose, white sugar, water and other auxiliary materials such as trace elements, the main raw materials for making hard candies, into the sandwich pot to melt the sugar. The melted syrup is stored in a temporary storage barrel with stirring through a gear pump. The stainless steel rotor pump accurately pumps the syrup into the hopper of the pouring machine. The cooked massacute enters the static mixer through the unloading pump and the thermal insulation sleeve.